Do you want the look of a Polaroid picture, but don't have a Polaroid camera? Want to add some character to your photos on your phone that you can print out and show off? Hi, I'm Caitlin, and if this sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the Polaroid Originals Lab Instant Film Printer. The Polaroid Lab uses a unique chemical process to develop images on your phone into a Polaroid picture. It exposes the digital image on your phone using light from the phone's display to make a new picture with all the character of a Polaroid using 100% real Polaroid chemistry. Your digital image is projected onto the film using a high-quality 3-lens system, and the Polaroid Originals app on your phone controls the exposure time to give you flawless, timeless photos. My absolute favorite features at the Polaroid Lab are the collage and the augmented reality, or AR. With the collage tool, you can choose to separate your image into up to 9 frames or exposures and can choose either a neat or messy setup. You select your image in the app, then follow on-screen instructions for printing. You'll see it starts with the first image in the app. Then you put your phone on the platform, press the shutter, and when you look at the app again, you'll see it's moved on to the next image. If you aren't happy with the first image, you can always go back and try again. Since each pack of Polaroid film contains 8 images, if you do choose to use the collage of 9 exposures, you'll have to replace the film pack for the last image. The good news is changing the film while in the process of making a collage won't affect anything. So just swap in a new pack and keep on printing, and voila! You've got a new collage to hang up in your room. Now the AR feature is really cool. Through the Polaroid Originals app, you can bring your memories to life in a still image. The AR tool allows you to layer still images with motion that's all built into the chemistry of the photo. So in the app, you choose an image you'd like to embed a video in. Down here, you'll click Add Media, and then you'll choose your video that you want to upload. You can upload it either widescreen or square, and then trim it if you'd like. You then click Done, and your video will upload. After exposing, printing, and developing your image, you go into the Polaroid Originals app and choose the AR Viewer. You put your printed image right in the camera on the app and watch as your image comes to life. How cool is that? Okay, a quick rundown on how it works. To turn the Polaroid Lab on, press the power button on the side. The tower will extend up and the rainbow lights on the front will light up. You can see how much of a charge your lab has by looking at the LEDs on the back. The Polaroid Lab is compatible with iOS and Android, and if you're not sure if your phone will work with the lab, you can just check the Polaroid Originals app and it will let you know. The lab uses 600 I-type film, so make sure you've loaded it up with a new film pack. Put your phone face down on the cradle, lining up the 2 gray circles on the phone screen with the 2 touch points on the lab. The rainbow LEDs will light up and flash a few times, then remain solid. Once solid, you can go ahead and press the red shutter button and your photo will pop out. Quick tips. Turn off all settings and apps on your phone that can influence the color of your phone display, like night shift or true tone, because these can affect the end exposure. I'd also recommend putting your phone on Do Not Disturb when printing, so you don't accidentally have a text message from mom printed on your image. Once your photo pops out, protect it from light as it develops. Leave the photo under the film shield for a few seconds, then place it face down until it's fully developed, which takes about 15 minutes for color film and about 5 minutes for black and white. Remember, the Polaroid Lab isn't designed to reproduce exact copies of your digital image. The best part about analog instant photography is that it adds characteristics and quirks like color shifts and contrast changes to each picture to make sure it looks like a genuine Polaroid picture. Once you're done printing, turn off the lab by pressing the tower platform down until it clicks and the rainbow lights turn off. The lab runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and when it's closed, it stands at 5.9 inches tall, 4.6 inches wide, and 5.9 inches deep. When open, that height changes to 7 inches tall. If you have any questions about the Polaroid Originals Lab Instant Film Printer, please reach out to us via phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We'll be there in an instant. I'll see you next time.